So we're gonna head over to Under the Sea with Ariel.
He's waving.
Boy, really cold today. Hey, you, are you cold? Story about how Ariel became a villain with that Ursula. Oh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you give me a phone.
What'd you think? Did you like it?
You like it?
Yeah? Lucas, you like it?
Found a shady spot and a frozen strawberry lemonade bar. So me and Ellie are just chilling while the boys are riding this, can't talk today, while the boys are riding the Snow White Mine Train ride. And then Lucas and I will be doing a rider swap, so I'm gonna ride it when they get back off. Is it good? It was really good. 2 thumbs up.
All right, you ready? Hold on the lap bar.
It's a coaster, so they have
You excited?
So this can't go up?
Nope. It's gotta keep you safe. You ready, Lucas? Here we go! Woo! Good?
That was it.
What do you think?
Cool!
You ready to go on it again?
Yeah. With
Yeah.
Mommy.
She's gonna walk. I'll take the chair out.
I want to keep stuff.
We got in the background.
Yeah, we thought we were going to be in the background, in the back, and before we even got on, we thought we were going to be in the back, and we are in the back.
We thought we were gonna have to wait a little bit longer, right?
But we did it.
We got right on. Here we go. It's raining! Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Oh my god! It
Well,
was
apparently Snow White is a water ride.
because it was raining.
We're soaked.
It's because it was raining outside.
We didn't even know it was raining. It started raining while we were inside, and we get out, it takes off, and we're soaked. Whoops.
Okay, I did not want to
That
get
was
so
funny.
So Ellie's sleeping, so we're just taking a break. Lucas and Sarah are drying off since they got wet on the mine train. So we're just gonna relax for a little while and then start hitting on some more rides in a little bit. All right, we're done resting. We're gonna go hit some more rides. I think we're gonna start with Pirates. It's okay. There we go.
Okay, I got you. It's okay.
Aye, tales there be aplenty in this cursed place.
It's just a pirates thing.
Or by thunder, we'll burn the city to the ground.
Oh, you scurvy skunk!
Yeah, what'd you get?
Beef, chicken, and nachos.
Steve, and Mommy and Ellie are sharing a rice bowl, a veggie rice bowl. And we got the chicken nachos.
And I have mine.
Dinner at Pecos Bills was delicious. Now it's time to get our spot for Happily Ever After. We have never seen it. Our last vacation was actually like the last week of Wishes. So we saw one of the last Wishes shows and missed out on the first Happily Ever After by like a week. So I know it's been around for like a year and a half, almost 2 years, but we haven't seen it yet in person. So we're really excited. So we're gonna go meet up with my parents and grab a spot.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold.
that cool?
How did it turn blue?
Presented by
Did you like it?
Please enjoy the rest of the evening here at Magic Kingdom as you continue
Lucas, what did you think? Fireworks were awesome. It was a great show. It was nice seeing it in person. We've heard the soundtrack just listening to the radio, some Disney radio, but we've never actually seen the show. So it was really cool to finally see. Lucas loved it. Yeah.
I love what?
And Ellie it was a little loud for her, but she still liked it. She's very tired, so Sarah's taking her back to the hotel so we can go sleep. She can go to sleep. And Lucas and I are going to stay for a little bit longer and ride some rides. Maybe.
Yep, we're just taking a short walk to our hotel. So Ellie and I are heading back to the hotel room. You know, when Lucas was this age, because she's about the same age that we've taken Lucas in the intervals that we've gone to Disney. When we've taken Lucas, he's been very receptive to the craziness and the just everything to see and everything to do, and whatever rides he could ride, he was really good with them. I think we have to find a new groove with Ellie. I think we've got a little bit of overstimulation going on. She's getting a little overstimulated and just not liking certain things, and you know, it's just she's ready to go back to the hotel room at a certain point and not, you know, stay and play. So we're heading back right now. The Pop Century buses were completely crowded, and I thought, wow, I can take the Art of Animation bus. So you can see Art of Animation over here. I was like, well, we'll take the Art of Animation bus and then we'll just take the little pathway over to Pop Century. So I see a lot of construction walls all around. So hopefully that pathway is open still. I think it's up ahead. We're gonna see right now, and hopefully this doesn't screw me up here. But yeah, a little late night adventure, kind of a peaceful walk. So I kind of see the pathway. It looks like it's open. We're gonna take it. This is nice. So yeah, a little trick, you know, if the buses seem really crazy for Pop Century, although in years past it seemed like you can hop on a different bus and get it somewhere else and connect, you know, find little ways around if your bus line is full. It seems though that they're pretty good now about calling buses, because I remember in years past when we stayed at Pop Century, the bus lines would be really long and we'd be waiting a long time for a bus, whereas like the moderate resorts and the deluxe resorts would have constant buses coming. And I think they finally flipped it, and it seems like the value resorts are finally getting the bus attention they need. So that's good, but the Pop Century buses were kind of full, and because of this walkway, Pop Century and Art of Animation are connected. So if the Pop Century bus is full, or the line is full, you can hop on the Art of Animation bus and take a short walk across, or vice versa. If Art of Animation is full, you can hop on Pop Century and take that across. So, neat little trick that I think is pretty cool and pretty nifty that they connect. Are you back at the hotel room now? Yeah. You ready to get comfy in your Mickey bed? Yeah. It's that way? Alright, show me the way.
It goes that way.
Yeah?
Here, sit over here. Lucas.
I see a lifesaver.
All right. Hey, you gotta sit down, bud. You wanna sit next to me? Okay, you're gonna go backwards. That's what I thought.
And enjoy your Grand Circle tour of
See
Tomorrowland.
Space Mountain over there?
Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you'll
Chris
want
and I had a lot of fun on the TTA People Mover.
Yeah, it's because it went through Space Mountain
It did.
in Buzz Lightyear.
It did go through Space Mountain and Buzz Lightyear. Now we have some fast passes at Splash Mountain, so here's to hoping we don't get too wet. Right?
Yeah.
We don't want to get too wet. It's gonna be fun though.
Yeah.
Ready, Lucas? It's gonna be. Here we go, Lucas.
Alright guys, go ahead and slide up to the yellow line, but don't cross over it yet.
Here we go, buddy.
Oh, we're in the water.
We're in the water.
Uh-oh. Ah, this is gonna be fun.
Oh, look at that! I got wet.
We did get wet.
A little bit. Here we go, Lucas.
Uh-oh. This better be bad. Oh, this is gonna be wet. Okay.
Here we go.
This is
Oh my goodness! There's the castle! Whoa! Did you get wet?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Oh, yes, it was fun. Oh, we have to go on that again.
Yeah, you liked it?
Yes, we have to go on that again.
That's hilarious. Sorry. So Lucas and I went on Splash again with the family. and we got soaked that time. We got really wet, didn't we, buddy? So, yeah. So we're wet now. That's fun though.
Real pumpkins.
No. There's decoration.
Big and fat like that one.
Yeah. But this is a real Mickey pretzel.
No.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
It's been a very long day. It's almost midnight, so we are very tired, and we have a busy Hollywood Studios day coming tomorrow. So we're gonna go home and get some sleep. How was your first day at the Magic Kingdom? Good. We had a lot of fun. It's time to go home and get some rest. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.